And central powers, 4 nations. Okay, among 24 nations, yes. What is the meaning of allies and what is the meaning of central power? I got it. Coming over here. Now, from that major nations were Germany, sorry, Great Britain, France and Russia. How many nations were there? Great Britain, France, yes, same. France and Russia. Got it? And central powers that is having 4 nations. That is Germany. Wait. Germany. Then Turkey and Bulgaria it is. Turkey and among these the first World War started. Okay. Allies were having how many nations? 24. And central powers that is 4 nations. From that from that nations were Britain, France and Russia. And over here central powers were Germany, Austria, Turkey and Bulgaria. Okay, now Germany were made noteworthy victories in Europe, but obvious that Germany started noteworthy victory in Europe while it was ruled by whom? That is French army. Germany was ruled by French army. Rule means rule. It was ruled by French army. And among that, it also fought many submarine wars and destroyed the ships of allied nations. So, Central Powers have fought with allied nations for submarine wars, and that's why many wars were fought before also. Got it? Use of tanks, bombs made of poisonous gases killed many soldiers and civilians. In 1917, the Russian Revolution started. In 1914, the First World War began. Now in 1917, which World War started? Russian Revolution started. So Russia withdrew from the war. So Russia left from the war. Okay. Germany became very strong. Germany drawn an American steamer Lusitania in America, in which 147 Americans died. So what happens? These nations were there. Over here, Britain, France and Russia. But in 1917, Russian Revolution started. That's why Russia left the First World War, and Germany became powerful and threw a bomb on America. That is how many nations were, how many soldiers were affected? 147 were affected. So America, which was still neutral, America was not joined over here. Yes, was neutral. So in 1917 April, America also entered into First World War. Now what happened? From the America, with the America, who joined countries like Panama, Greece, Cuba, China and Siam. This also joined allied nation with whom? That is America. Okay? And allied nation became stronger because these all the nations were joined with them. Yes, Ketani, what I spoke till here, stand up and speak. Fast. When was First World War started? Stand up and speak fast. Close your book. Close your book. Speak. Speak fast. So two nations, that is Allied and Central Power. In Allied nations, 24 nations were there. In that, Britain, France, and Russia were there for First World War. And in Central Power, there were four nations, that is Germany, Austria, Turkey, and got it. From that, in 1917, Russia revolution started. That's why Russia left First World War. So, in 1970 only, Germany threw a bomb on whom? That is America. That's why how many army were 147 soldiers were defeated. That's why America also was included in Allied nation. And then after many nations were joined like Panama, Greece, Cuba, China, and Syria, and joined Allied nations. And then after Allied nations become stronger. Now no one except me, no one may have asked me what is the meaning of Allied and Central Power. Anyone knowing? In 8th standard, Sem 1, chapter number 5, chapter number 6, you were having Allied nations and Central Power. No one? Okay, what is Allied? Means all the nations became one and became a group. No unit. Became one, have made a group, and then fought with central nations is known as Allied. Allied means simple word group of nations. Got it? And Central Power means this four nations were having different powers and fought with Allied nations. Got it? No. Thus, the Allied nation became stronger. Now, Germany army could not withstand with the American army, but obvious in this Allied nations, many nations joined. Yes, so now Germany army cannot stand means with American army. So whole situation of the war changed the Allied nation. That's why who left now? Germany left the First World War. Got it? Sorry. Germany was alone. Germany was now alone. And Allied nations were having four countries, that is Turkey, Austria, Bulgaria. And Germany was over here alone. That's why Bulgaria joined the Allies in September 1918. Which time? 1918. Who? And after that who joined? Turkey in October. In October, okay? Both these nations joined. That is which nation? That is Allied nation. Hence, German Kaiser Wilhelm, that is Kaiser means emperor, was now alone, and he was in the position that he can't fought with these nations. That's why Germany ran away. Germany surrendered to Allied nation and signed a ceasefire treaty. Which fire treaty? Ceasefire treaty. And this way, the First World War was ended on November 11, 1918. When it was started? 20th July 1914. Allied nations. Yes. Yes, and it was ended by 11th November 1918. In between points, who joined you learned? Now we will be learning factors affecting. Which were the factors that First World War started? Okay? So first was colonialism, 11 page number. First was colonialism. Yes? And it was the unforgettable memories of the world. First World War. Got it? First was we have learned colonialism. Next is Second War. Which war? Second War. Nahi. Sedan. S-E-D-A-N. S-E-D-A-N. It is the name of the place. Germany and France had fought a war at a place called Listen. at a place called Sedan in France. Which countries have fought? That is Germany and France have fought a war in Sedan in France. Factors affecting beta. Second thing, Germany defeated France in Sedan War, and France was forced to sign a treaty called Frankfurt Treaty. Which treaty? Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. Which treaty? Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. In Sedan War, who was lost? France was lost. So forcefully treaty was signed, that is Frankfurt Treaty in 1871. Got it? Dhanyani, stand up. Dhanyani, stand up. What is Sedan War? Gun. Abdullah, chalo. But what is Sedan War? One, stand up. What commentary you have done by sitting there? Speak fast. Sadik, stand up. Explain Sedan War. Arsh, stand up. Pathan. You only. Zainali, stand up. Two lines are there. That also you are not understanding. Sedan. On. Okay. In which year? Who is that? C and I can also speak. And be attentive in class. Those who were attentive, I can ask them. They will answer me. Yes, Rehan Qureshi. Explain. Okay. In which year? That was First World War. No. First World War. 1971. 1971. Okay, wait. Simple logic. છે? Yes, Rehan said. According to this treaty, France has forcefully signed a Frankfurt Treaty. Now, France had to pay a huge fees amount to whom? That is Germany. Because France lost in Sedan War. That's why. Two provinces, that is Lawrence and access to Germany. Okay? And France felt very humiliated and wanted revenge. Now France want to start taking revenge. Someone has done something, then you will be doing revenge. I will see you. Meet me after school. I will give you the meaning. Huh? Next, as per historians, Okay, so for this it led to First World War. Okay, now economic factors. Economic means related to money. Yes, in 19th century England has established vast empire in Asia and Africa. Yes, that's why it exploited the colonies and gathered huge wealth. You have studied colonies, colonialism. Yes, for earning from its expanded market by selling goods produced by which factories, that is English factories in the colonies. Yes, what obvious England means Britishers, that means English. England wanted huge quantity of raw material. During the last quarter of the 19th century, situation became bad for England when Germany started supplying goods at cheaper rate in Asia and Africa. So now England was earning huge wealth. Now who started? That is Germany started. That's why competition started and this was led to First World War. Third, militarism. To fight against competition and expand market, countries started expanding their military force. Which was what started? Military force was started. Countries like England, France, Austria, Russia expanded their military force. On other hand, countries like Japan, Italy and Germany made military training compulsory for all. That's why it started increasing production of which, that is weapons, and on the pretext of self-defense. Thus, militarism increased and military competition added to the economic competition. First was Civil War, that's why France, that was, yes. Second was economic impact. So due to that, as England has captured the colonies, that is Asia and Africa, now Germany will also start providing raw material in cheaper rate. That's why economic factors. Due to this, inside means between the nations, the revenge started. That's why it led to First World War. Third is militarism. Now, who was giving compulsory military force? That is England, France, Austria, and this way they have started preparing weapons. It led to First World War. Next is groupism via secret treaties. They were started forming a groups. Yes, as they started forming a group and signing treaties, it assured to support and in case external attacks started. Which attacks? External attacks. Gradually and slowly, two groups were made. That is, one side is Allied group and other side is Central Power groups. Okay, so it led to First World War. Next is feeling of fierce nationalism. No nationalism means no love among nations. The feeling of nationalism became very strong and opposition in European countries. Economic jealousy, competition, colonization, this increased by in Europe. That's why national interest began started clashing among the nations. On other side, the Central Power nations were feeling bad. That's why this whole happened and jealousy started. Central attack started, war started, and it leads to First World War. Got it? Instead of love to nations, they started hating the nations. Yes? So it was the second point that it started World War. Role of newspaper. European countries started printing a large number of newspaper and false means rumors were spread, many articles were spread, mistrust, revenge related to this points. This all was spread in newspaper. So for this also, for taking the revenge, war started. Next is philosophy of war. Why? What was the philosophy? Fierce leaders established philosophies and policies for gaining power and war. Means European countries were ruling over Asia and Africa, so they have started their spreading philosophy, starting their treaty, and this way the war started. Europe was caught in the thought of war is welfare. Who was caught? Europe. German writers published maxims like only the mighty deserve to live and war alone is the national right. Another German writer, that is Nietzsche, called war as a scared work. So this was the philosophy, and they have started spreading the maxims. Got it? And it led to First World War. And last, the beginning of the First World War. A member of terrorist organization of Serbia known as Black Hand shot Prince of Austria and his wife and killed them. Who was member? Serbia's terrorist known as Black Hand has killed Prince of Austria and his wife. Austria blamed that Serbia was involved in this and that it should hand over the terrorists to Austria within 48 hours. So, who believed, Serbia believed that Austria was involved in this and they have to hand over by 48 hours. Now last is beginning of First World War. Now First World War was started for what? That Serbia terrorist, a member of Serbia terrorist, it is the name of the place, has known as Black Hand, has shot to the Prince of Austria and his wife and was killed. That's why Austria has blamed Serbia and told that the terrorists should be handed by 48 hours. Next 48 hours, it will be handed. So Serbia said that the blame is wrong and did not have hand in this matter. Okay? Austria did not pay any heed. That's why Serbia's justification and declared war. So First World War started. So over here we have completed with First World War and factors affecting First World War. Now tomorrow we will be learning economic effects of First World War. Okay? And next is Russian Revolution and its effects and its efforts. Tomorrow I will be completing this chapter.